Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lucas and today is July 9th, 2018. We are on the new Student Recreation Center project. This is our 14th video of the series and we're going to be taking you through progress since our last update. We'll begin the same spot we usually do, starting in the south end. Take a look back at the last video that we made. You'll see some amazing progress. Both staircases have been built on the south of stair C and stair D. On this east elevation here, all the framing on the exterior has been completed. Most of the sheathing has been installed. We see the purple, that's the primer ahead of the AVB, we call the air vapor barrier, that will be going on shortly. As we come around the corner through here, none of the framing, this is our stair B in this section right in through here. None of the framing was installed last time we were up there. None of the exterior sheathing in this area. But let's take a quick spin back and take a peek. That's our chilled water line. The last time we came through was just coming through here between Wetton and our new building. It's a great reference point to be able to see those chilled water lines. And as we swing around to the north elevation, this is our climbing wall, this big section right in here. There's a curtain wall, the curtain wall glass framing we call right in through here. That's going to be amazing. That section is actually 3 stories tall, the climbing area in through here. But all of our framing has been completed in through here. All of the exterior sheathing has been installed. All the air vapor barrier has been installed since the last time we came through. They're actually even starting some windows down in as we move over here towards Hillside Road in a second, down in this area right in through here. Now we move over to the big corner over here on the hillside. All this glazing is almost completed. From the ground, when you look at it, you'll see it's got smoke glass from the 2nd floor up, because this is our mechanical space needed to serve the spaces in here. But what a marvelous elevation. And this will all be backlit. The 1st and 2nd floors will be definitely exposed through here. The 2nd floor will take you through there, which will be our Fitness 1 shortly. All the glazing, the glass in this section has been installed. The dark vapor barrier that you see down through there, that'll be our composite panels. We'll show you that on the mock-up as we have. Where our polycarbonate, we've got this tarp section up in here, gives us a real sense of how bright it's going to be on the inside, and we'll go down and take a look at that shortly. But really get a sense here of the what the glazing and what the separation on the glass is going to look. Finally, as we swing to the south here, major progress has been going on through here. The mason's been down here building all of his concrete masonry walls. And both stairs, we're looking right over here. This stairway right here is stair D. And what a great way to be able to frame it without any of the structure in place. So the ironworkers really took advantage of that. And we can see the framing is ongoing. Last time we came through here, there was none of the metal studs at all were installed through here. And finally, as we come around, excuse us for the trees, but we needed this distance right through here. It's also a very bright sunny day, one of the worst days to actually get good crisp pictures. And as we come around to this section over here, this is our stair C. Makes 4 stairs totally. And again, look at all of the sheathing that's been installed in this elevation right here. So great progress since the last time we've been here. Different perspective. We flew over from 120 feet, now on the ground. So you get a look from the top down and now from the bottom up at this elevation. This is our north elevation right through here, heading into the School of Business. You can see all the helping hands. It's the first thing that goes on after the waterproofing is sealed right in through here. All right, and this is the process on the base course. All right, got a layer of insulation back in here for our R value, some grout behind that, and then finally a caulk over the top, which we just showed you. All right, northwest corner, Our punch windows are beginning to go in. Punched is a fixed opening right in through here. They're in the storefront family because it's single floor. When we flew by, we talked about the progression through here. Our stone base course right through here. Let's look at some of the details. This is filled up with caulk in through here. These are the stainless steel anchors on through there. All right, we have a flashing that goes underneath it. And then there's two rows of caulking that you see in through there. That's a primary in the back that we're looking at right in through there that pushes it back out. So the thing to understand here is that's finished floor right there. Everything below here is below grade. All of these windows are protected with the gigantic soffit over the top. But this is the classic detail that we're going to see out in through here. And then the helping hand and the finished system will go in through here, whether it's the composite panels or the great opportunity for the details on our base course of stone here. You get a chance to see our plastic shims. This brings it out to the right elevation to catch this U-channel, the stainless U-channel that sits. They cut grooves in the bottom of the stone. You can see it right through there. Very nice. And then we have to hold line. That's what the string is to do there. So you'll never see this again. Very nice. All right, we told you each time we were going to come in through our north entrance, our School of Business entrance, and our hillside entrance. What's going on through here? Okay. What we see, the contractor's painted some nice lines here. Those are traffic lanes in here. Nobody's allowed to put any materials in here so that the lifts have free travel in through here. So this space is a little different. The polycarbonate panels aren't here yet, so we see some winter protection. But you get a sense of what the light's going to do in this space right in through here. Very nice. All right. It's lunchtime in here, so hopefully it'll be a little quieter. Safety-wise, we have the panels up in here to keep the debris from falling down through. But what a great opportunity to see. You can see up on the multiple levels. The X-braces that we talked about at one time that give the building the structural support. All right. The look from hillside entrance here. This is where the exterior finishes are going on. Right on this corner right here. The last finishes will be wrapped around in here. This is the start point right through here. Okay, we came in through the School of Business. Now we're coming in through the hillside entrance right in here. This is going to be a great entrance. Our juice bar and lounge will be located in this area, wide open. Handicap ramp. Immediately you'll be able to look over towards Hillside Road. All the equipment, all the cardio equipment down in through here. Very nice. All right. And then finally, everyone has got all their equipment stored. That's where the control desk is going to be, right in that central area there between Fitness 1 here and Fitness 2 and 4 over there. 1 and 3 here, 2 and 4 over there. Okay, let's pick up on the progress on the showers, the locker rooms in here, rough-ins. So this is a plumber's dream in here, these gang locker rooms like this, okay? So this is a chance to see just what we call the wet wall in here that is not constructed yet. See all the individual showers in through here. All right. The control valves for the showers right through here. Let's take a little walk on the gangplank over here to take a look at our recreation pool in this section. So you get a chance to see it way in advance before any of the tile. This is rough concrete in through here. Will be the lights. All right, everything is for its distance off here. It's all calibrated for its distance for the finishes on here. That's why it's in the rough stage of the concrete. Be the steps, right, for the ladders coming out in through here. More lights. The circular area in here, we'll take a peek in here. Okay, we can see a test to keep pressure on the plumbing lines in through here. All right. Very nice place, nice spot in through here. And they'll all be finishes on the top of this. All right, look at the massive size. This one pool is probably pretty close to the size of the existing pool that we have. Look at the size of this staircase in here, 12, 14 feet wide. We'll step right up into here in this section. So this all gets filled with dirt back in here. The top area is up in here. Pretty close, you can see the top area. Same elevation as in the bathroom. It's all the way over in here. So the rebar gets bent down, and the slab goes over the top. And finally, the detail here, this is our scupper drain around the perimeter of the pool. The water goes into here. There still gets a cap in this area in through here. Right, the slab comes up higher, ties in back over in through there. Very nice. All right, our recreation pool is much further ahead than of our lap pool in this section. Again, another set of stairs coming over. There'll be a flat area, a separation area. There'll be another wall coming over here, very similar to this wall right in through here. You can see they got half the slab poured in through there. All right, very similar detail. Deeper, much deeper section, much taller on the walls in through there. All right, be able to look up at these acoustical panels up in the ceiling, very nice up and through here. Second floor, fitness 1 over here. This section here with the view. We were here last time. Look at this view. To the north, Hillside Road, School of Business, Gamble, the bookstore. This is the spot right in through here. So the job is in the rough-in stage. This is all about the mechanicals. We have most of our glazing, glass installed here on this elevation. We saw when we flew by. Our synthetic panels that go in between. That's what this detail is right in through here. We have a little rigid insulation in the back side there. All gets captured up and through there, up into the roof. Chance to see the moisture barrier up and through there. So what a wide open space. So we were just on the first floor. Back again to this perspective here on the second floor. And again, we won't see any finishes for a while. The mason's working on this perimeter wall on the pool in here. Okay, it's all about the mechanicals at this stage. Elevator construction's going on. What a great opportunity to see the elevator first floor, second floor, third floor, right up through, right? Okay, looking down at this corner, another set of staircases at the south end of Fitness 1 right through here, the scaffolding. The masons are building this wall to close that off, but this will be our curtain wall right through here. Okay, this all gets glass all the way up in through here. On this elevation right through here, it's closed off in the block on top. Okay, as we come around, massive pile of ductwork ready to go up, all the ends covered nice, all protected through here. All right. This X bracing we talked about just a minute ago. And again, the look back. Polycarbonate panels coming in through here. There'll be much more light, but get a sense with the white tarp up there what that elevation will look like. A different perspective looking back down at the pool here. Okay. Our lap pool in here, deeper sections. Recreation pool up and through here. A lot of trades. You get a chance to see the plumbing, the drains down in through here. The web plumbing. Giant main drains right in through here. See it? Big. All right, we're coming up through stair B. Our court area in here. Okay, this will be, we're working our way from the bottom up. This will be the last floor to be finished. Okay, wide open spaces. 2 courts over in here, 4 courts back in through here. All right. So it's about the exterior facade right now, getting it closed in. You can see the framings going on through here. We'll take a quick look at the staircase that we saw. And we'll take a final walk on the 4th floor. The last time we were here, that wasn't available. They were putting concrete in the treads. Okay, coming off of stair B here on the 4th floor track. Okay, the concrete has been placed. Right now they have this up with a toe board on here, just for safety reasons. This will be open to the courts. As we mentioned beforehand, this will be a fantastic spot. Okay, to the north here, we've talked about this, the way it overhangs. When we fly over, we explain it. Okay, you'll get a sense of that you're running in the air here, and literally you are. This whole floor is out, is the soffit over through here. Okay, this will be a great, there'll be glass along through here. Picture yourself jogging through here. Very nice. We get a chance to see our other utility project on Jim Calhoun Way. They're backfilling, which is fantastic. Preparation for the finishes. All right. So, be a second staircase dropping in over through here. Okay, that'll go in later on. So stair B to the east, the stair right here to the west. Again, today is July 9th, 2018, and we thank you for your interest in our university projects. Remember to subscribe to our UConn UPDC channel. In bold red, click on subscribe, a second click next to the bell, check next to send me all notifications for this channel with a save. You'll now receive an automatic notification every time an update has been added. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.